tell you about Christmas magic. It's a wondrous thing to behold. When the snow starts falling and mother's calling for you to put on your coat, let me show you Christmas magic. It's the best kind of sorcery I know. With the angels singing and sleigh bells ringing, grandma's underneath the mistletoe. Reindeer flying past the moon, old Saint Nick will be here soon. But don't be alarmed, it's all a part of Christmas charm. Now you know all about Christmas magic. You can tell this tale on your own. When it turns December, you must remember Christmas magic. Christmas magic is here at home. But don't be alarmed, it's all a part of Christmas charm. Now you know all about Christmas magic.
Wow! The ducks of Disneyland. Oh, look at them!
My pants are really
I think she's
infiltrated a first order star.